How to add a full reel on Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to add a full reel to your Instagram story. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and make sure that you sign into your account. Tap the Reels icon located at the bottom or top of your screen. Now find the reel that you wish to share and tap the share icon at bottom right corner of your screen. And from the option, you simply need to select Add to Story at bottom left. Now the reel has already been added to your story. You can easily tap to make it on full screen. So if the full reel doesn't appear, you can easily head to the App Store or Play Store and check for Instagram update. And if there is any update available, then you can install it and then return to Instagram, go to Reels and tap Share and Add to Story again. So you can tap your story and then this time the full Reels should appear. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.